Hi guys, so how to fix Instagram story problem? First thing, open the settings and then go to the apps like this. Scroll until you find Instagram app right here. And when you find it, just click on it. Exactly like that. Now click on force stop and go to the storage. Click on clear data and clear cache. Go back, click on the permissions. Make sure to enable all the permissions. Now go back to the settings on your phone. Go to the wireless and networks. Enable the airplane mode for 5 seconds and after that disable it. So that's it guys. Don't forget to like, subscribe.